Hey everyone, how y'all doing? Got another knife video for you, but today I got the scales from Sharp Dress Knives for my Paramilitary 2. So I thought I'd do an unboxing, show you them, and then I'll probably do a separate video of swapping out the scales. But at the end of the video, I'll come back and show you what these look like on it. So Paramilitary 2, let's open them up, check them out. Got a little paper. Thank you for choosing Sharp Dress Knives. Each piece is precision cut by CNC, then hand finished and tested for proper fit. My goal is to give you a personalized touch for your favorite knives. Designs and materials change constantly, so if you have requests for future projects, please let me know. And email, the website, so check them out. They got some really nice stuff. Scales came in a little pouch. Got, this must be the pack and slip. I'll show you. Got a sticker. I also got the SDK tool to remove the lanyard tube. So, a little instruction manual on that. Here's the tool. So, if you don't know, Paramilitary 2, the Manix 2. Now, several knives have this lanyard tube, but I guess it is really difficult to get out. So I bought the tool before I even tried it. But let's check these scales out. Oh yeah, these are the maroon micarta, linen micarta scales. Oh, these are nice. They're pretty polished, they're pretty smooth. Let's see. The G10 on this, the original G10 scales, are pretty grippy. These are pretty smooth, but yeah, I think that's gonna look good. But check it out. All machined out. And one thing about these is the pocket clip screws are only in one position in this set. So it'll eliminate all these extra pocket clip holes all the way around the knife. So yeah, I think this is gonna look good. So I'm gonna stop this video, go swap these out, and then I'll come back in this video and show you what they look like. Okay guys, here it is. Well, I think they look pretty sweet. And let me tell you what, it was quite a pain in the butt to swap these out. I was going to do a video. I was recording. I was having so much trouble. I'm saying forget that. This lanyard tube was terrible to get out. If I didn't have this for the $25 or whatever this thing cost, $27, I'd would never gotten that lanyard tube out. And the one pivot side, I had a heck of a time breaking it. I literally had to get a small pair of pliers. I had to heat it up, hold it, and I had to put the screwdriver in. And I had to use it like this to get it to start turning. Then I had to hold the pivot. Yeah, it was a pain, but I think they look good. It was worth it. Got the lynch clip back on, which I've already scratched up, but I think it looks pretty good. Nice action's good. No blade play. Actually, before I took it apart, there was just a little bit of blade play. But yeah, check them out. Sharp Dress knives. Right there. They got scales for Spectacles, ZTs, Kershaws, Emersons, bunch. They got cool carbon fiber ones. Everything was sold out except for these, and these are actually the ones I wanted, so I got lucky. The only ones in stock were the ones I wanted. But yeah, pretty sweet. Just thought I'd show you guys. Like I said, I was going to do the disassembly and scale swap, but yeah, it was too much pain in the ass, so that's not going to happen. But you'll be seeing more of this knife in videos. I guess that's it. Like this video, hit the like button, leave a comment down below, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and until next time, bye.